This is tastiest chicken breast I've ever had. Start with 2 fresh chicken breasts. Cut them into thin strips and then into medium cubes so they cook evenly and stay juicy. Put the chicken in a large bowl and add 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix very well so all the pieces are coated. Add chopped fresh parsley and a generous spoon of mayonnaise. Then mix again until creamy. This makes the fritters soft inside and golden outside. Add 5 tablespoons of wheat flour and stir until you get a thick mixture. Now add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and mix well. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Spoon the mixture into the pan, form small fritters, and fry until golden on both sides. Drain on paper and serve hot with rice, salad, or your favorite sauce. Rate this recipe from 1 to 10 and tell me what you think about it in the comments section below.